Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana making a video today on restore number 92. It's a 1966 9.5 horsepower with Johnson. It's a full restore, completely rebuilt. Carb, magneto, gear case, paint, decals. Beautiful. Taking her out here for a run. Let's see how she does. I tell you, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. That thing purrs like a kitten. Runs great. Pushes my 40-foot John boat here about 17 miles an hour, which is really great for a little 9.5. Awesome motor. Restore number 92. See y'all next video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. You can also find T-Mike's Vintage Outboards on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and on eBay. Just search for T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. Thank you all very much. Merci beaucoup and laissez les bon temps rouler.